What's the meaning of ciao? Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao. Ciao is an Italian word that is commonly used as a greeting or farewell. It can be translated to English as hello or goodbye, but its meaning is more informal and can also convey a sense of affection or familiarity between the speaker and the recipient. The word has its origins in the Venetian dialect and has spread throughout the world, becoming a popular word in many languages. Overall, ciao is a versatile and widely recognized term that represents both a greeting and a way to bid farewell.